Hello friend, in this video these topics covered. Number 1, is learning C easy? Number 2, what is master C language? Number 3, is C is a mid-level language? Number 4, is C language enough to get a job? Number 5, which type of language is C? Number 6, why is C language so difficult? Number 7, why is C procedural language? Number 8, what is C language with example? Number 9, what is C programming basics? Number 10, what is C programming language used for? Is learning C easy? Which programming language is easy to learn? C and C++ are both somewhat difficult to learn to program well. However, in many respects, they share many similarities with many other popular languages. In that sense, they are just as easy or as difficult to learn at first as anything other programming language. What is master C language? C programming tutorial. The basics you need to master C. C programming language was developed in the mid 1970s, but still it is considered as the mother of all programming languages. It supports multiple functionalities and also powerful enough to directly interact with hardware units and the kernel. Is C is a mid-level language? C has the features of both assembly level languages, that is low level languages, and higher level languages. So that's why C is generally called as a mid-level language. We can directly access system registers with the help of inline assembly language features in C. Is C language enough to get a job? No doubt C is the powerful language and a computer jnana should know it efficiently. But for good job, C is not enough. You should also have knowledge about other languages of your interest like Java, Python, PHP. I don't think by just knowing C language you will get any good job. Which type of language is C? C, as in the letter C, is a general purpose procedural computer programming language supporting structured programming, lexical variable scope, and recursions with a static type system. By design, C provides constructs that map efficiently to typical machine instructions. Why is C language so difficult? C is basically a portable assembler with syntax which suits most people for better than regular assembler. C is hard because computers are complicated things and C only provides a small amount of abstraction away from how computers work. C is hard because computers are hard basically. Why is C procedural language? Originally answered, why is C a procedural language? Because C programs follow a procedure of steps written in it called functions. It follows a top-down approach, that is, much importance is given to flow of program rather than on data on which functions operate. What is C language with example? C language is a system programming language because it can be used to do low level programming. For example, driver and kernel. It is generally used to create hardware devices, OS, drivers, kernels, etc. For example, Linux kernel is written in C. It cannot be used for internet programming like Java, .NET, PHP, etc. What is C programming basics? C is a general purpose high level language that was originally developed by Dennis Ritchie for the Unix operating system. It was first implemented on the Digital Equipment Corporation PDP-11 computer in 1972. It can be compiled on a variety of computers. What is C programming language used for? C is a powerful general purpose programming language. It can be used to develop software like operating systems, databases, compilers, and so on. C programming is an excellent language to learn to program for beginners. Our C tutorials will guide you to learn C programming one step at a time.